Good day everyone! In this video, I am going to do a wireless network. To make a wireless network, I need to put the needed devices in the workspace. So let's start! So first, I will bring a router. And next, I will bring a switch. Next, I will bring a PC. Next is I am going to put an access point here. The end devices for the bottom part will be the wireless devices. So I am going to bring a PC, a laptop, and a wireless tablet. After bringing the needed devices in our workspace, let us connect the router to the switch by using a straight-through cable. As you can see on your screen, there is a red color between the router and the switch, meaning the devices are not yet connected. So to connect, click the router, go to the config, and click the fast Ethernet 0x0. Click on in the port status and set the IP address into 192.168.2.1. Now that the router and switch are connected, I am going to connect the PC to the switch. Now that the PC are connected to the switch, I am going to set an IP address. The IP address of this PC is 192.168.2.7, and for the subnet mask, just simply click subnet mask. The default gateway of this PC is the IP address of the router, which is 192.168.2.1. Next is this PC. Since this PC is not wireless, I am going to change the port into an antenna. To do so, click the PC and go to the physical view. Turn off the PC. Scroll down and you will see the port. So let's remove it and change it into an antenna. And turn on the PC. Next is I'm going to set an IP address to this PC. Click static and set the IP address into 192.168.2.8. And for the subnet mask, just simply click the subnet mask, and the default gateway is the IP address of the router, which is 192.168.2.1. And now, I am going to connect the access point to the switch using straight-through cable. So, from the moment this color changed from orange to green, we will be able to connect the wireless PC to all the devices. Next is the laptop, because this laptop is already a wireless, so I'm going to set an IP address now.
The IP address of this PC is 192.168.2.9.
And for the subnet mask, simply click the subnet mask, and the default gateway of this PC is the IP address of the router. Now that we are talking about the wireless network, obviously we need to have some form of protection or a password. To do so, click the access point and go to config. Click the port 1 and click the WEP. In here, I will enter 12345678990. And now I'm going to change the SSID into Dancing is Fun. Now the devices should be able to locate the signal. I will go to the first PC, go to the PC wireless, and then click connect, refresh. So as you can see, the SSID Dancing is Fun is here. So click connect. And now enter the password 12345678990. And then click connect. Now that it is connected, I'm going to try to ping the router from this PC.
Go to the command prompt and type ping space the IP address of the router, which is 192.168.2.1.
So wait a little bit and we will see if we will get a reply. So as you can see, we did not get the reply, so let me check what we missed. So here, what we missed is the IP address of this PC. Now I am going to set an IP address for this PC. And for the subnet mask, just simply click the subnet mask, and the default gateway is the IP address of the router. Now let's try again to ping the router from this PC. Enter ping space 192.168.2.1 and let's see if we will get the reply. And it is successful. Yes, we get to see the reply. Next is I'm going to the config of the tablet and set the MAC address into Dancing is Fun. And that's it. We've successfully created a wireless network.